Today I'm joined with Nana Sangmuah from Roscan Gold. Can you give us a quick introduction to the company?
Well, Roscan is a junior explorer with assets in Mali, right in a 50 million CAM that has shown a lot of success for existing producers like Barrick, B2 Gold, Endeavour. And the minimum deposit size in that CAM has averaged around 2 million ounces. And I think it's a prime destination for a junior explorer to be at, and it significantly enhances our chances of success because as the age goes, the best place to find gold is in the head frames of existing mine frames, and we just plugged in the middle of it.
And what's the kind of flagship project at the moment?
Well, our flagship discovery is the Mankuki deposit or asset, where we have identified a 7-kilometer mineralized trend. And clearly there's a lot of gold mineralization on surface. Deepest drilling to date has been about 70 Ks, but like all the analogs in the region, mineralization trends up to depths of 500 meters and beyond. So clearly warrants us to do some deeper drilling, which we're currently doing, and we'll be happy to share the results with the market once it becomes available. But we think that all the gold that is apparent on surface has some feed source to it, and we diligently trying to connect the dots to see where the feed sources are coming from.
And what makes Roscan Gold different?
Well, I think it's a unique junior. Clearly, the discovery phase is where you have the most excitement in the mining equities phase, because you tend to see the best appreciation in stock price upon a successful discovery. We're already on to one, and we've identified 7 more additional high priority targets. I wouldn't say all of them are discoveries, but the chances of further discoveries gives it as a strong potential for re-rating. We're trading at a significant discount to our peers at a similar stage of development in the region. And we think not only would we have the discovery amplify our valuation in the sights of investors, but it will start building a takeover premium as well, as mines near us deplete their reserves and look for avenues to replenish those reserves.
And what's the key message to investors?
Well, I think basically at the current valuation, I think upon delivery, re-rating could be strong. We also in a unique position, having had some very seasoned mine and executives join the team right now in the person of Sir Sam Jonah, who has been able to deliver a very tremendous values for shareholders, building junior mining companies into intermediate companies, and that's potentially the path that we hope to follow again. So there is definitely the potential for outsized return upon delivery, and I think current valuations in the space where juniors have been depressed significantly gives us a platform to grow beyond what we currently have, and that creates an opportunity for guys to come on board and enjoy the ride whilst we deliver.
And how have you found the conference today? Has it been good fun?
It has been very productive, lots of meetings, lots of good interest. People want to know what we're about, what we're going to be doing to unlock value on the ground, and I think it's probably one of the better conferences for an African mining company to be attending.
Thank you very much for your time.